Hello guys, I'm James from Homeseller. Today I'm in this HDB neighborhood which is located at plot 824 Jurong West Street 81, and I actually have a listing presentation over here today, and it's a HDB 4-room flat and the size is 1119 square feet. Alright, so the condition of the house is basically in its original condition. You can take a look at the living room, the kitchen, the master bedroom and the common bedroom. So the good thing about original condition, right, is that you do not need to think what is the things to keep, what is the things to retain, that kind of things. You can just do a full overhaul to the house. Alright, the price of this house is very reasonable price. The owner is actually very reasonable, so we are actually priced to market. In fact, it is as good as price to sell lah. Okay, that's one thing. And then another good thing about this house, right, is that the owner do not need extension of stay. Okay, if you are buying and you need contra, right, you can also do contra. So this is a good thing about this unit if you're buying and wanting to renovate to your own taste. I think in today's market this is very important because many of the units, okay, I have seen before, right, all needs extension of stay and also delay submission, that kind of things. It has become so common nowadays. Out of them, you probably will see 8 of the unit, right, that require late submission and also extension of stay. So this is definitely a plus point for this house. Okay, if you are urgently looking for one right now in this location, Jurong West Street 81. Alright, so the neighborhood here is very pleasant. You have coffee shop just right across the road, and then there are some mini-mart 7-Eleven shops, and then if you go slightly further down, there will be more amenities. Okay, so as you can see over here, right, surrounding me is actually nice and quiet surrounding. The upkeeping of this place is actually done pretty well, okay, in my personal opinion. All the corridors are all clean. Alright, so that's all I have to share. So over here in Homeseller, we help HDB homeowner to sell your house for 1999, condo for 4999, and landed for 9999. Do share and like, and also check out our Google review and follow us for more interesting content. Bye!